guys, so today I'm so excited to be filming this unboxing of this Moterm planner that I got in white lychee. So I did order this from Amazon. I also have the cream croc color. This is in the B6 size. I don't remember if I said that already or not, but it's in the B6 size, and I got the taupe color as well and the cream croc, and it's in the B6 size. So I'm so excited to be doing this unboxing for you. So it did come in a plastic packaging, but I just took that off because I thought for the ease of this video I would just show you guys like what it looks like without the plastic packaging. So it comes in this really pretty box. Very cute packaging, love that. And the next thing that I see here is this dust bag. So it's a really nice quality dust bag, and this is what it looks like. Okay, here we go. So, oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so this is what the planner looks like. This is in white lychee. It's a really nice quality. Here. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So you have pocket here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slot pockets here, which are pretty deep. And then you have 2 pockets over here, 2 pockets over here. I think this is called a secretarial pocket, and then 1 pocket in the back. So this is really nice quality, really good for the price. I think it was $40.99. And of course plus tax. And they have different colors, like they have black, they have obviously like the croc colors as well. But I really wanted the white lychee and the taupe and the cream croc, which I'm so glad I got. I think the next one that I might end up ordering is the Versa, just because like I use this for the mini happy planner size, but it is like, because I want side dividers and they do stick out. If you get top tab dividers, they won't stick out. So I think just for like the ease and comfort, I think it would be much better to get the personal Versa size. But I also wanted to kind of just, because the Versa is kind of expensive because you're kind of getting 2 planners in one. But I wanted to try out the B6 size before I would invest in the Versa. And I'm so happy that I did. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. Again, you have the tassels, the strap, and this is what it looks like on the inside, on the back. So in terms of the quality of it, I think the quality of it is really, really nice. If you guys can like get up close, you can just see just like the overall quality of it is really, really nice. The stitching of it is really nice. It smells like leather. You can feel kind of like the thickness of it too. It doesn't have any chemically smell. It doesn't feel plastic. It doesn't feel fake. It feels exactly like leather. It's a really good quality, a really good product at an amazing price point. And I don't remember if I mentioned this already, but I did get this off of Amazon. But you can also buy it off of AliExpress if Amazon doesn't have the size and the quality, or not the quality, the size and the color that you're looking for. So yeah, definitely I would repurchase this again. I think for the price and the quality and everything else, it's just a really good value. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Leave me a comment below. Let me know if you have any Moterm planners, and if you do, like, what's your favorite what's your favorite color? I'm always curious because I feel like I've seen some people like mention that they're in love with the taupe, and then a lot of people mention they're in love with the white, and then some people saying they're in love with the cream croc. I think the cream croc though doesn't come in every planner size. I could be mistaken though, but I'm pretty sure they don't come in every planner size. So I think it just depends on the planner that you're getting. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment below, subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm trying to stay on top of my videos and do videos a lot more frequently, just because I have so much fun doing them, and I feel like you just don't know how far you can get in life, you know, if you just don't give up. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying your day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.